forever be with a great big smile as big as the big blue ocean tide.